It seems like such a simple request, but obviously is something that a lot of people struggle with when it comes to cleaning, and that is how to clean a shower and a tub properly. We get asked this a lot, and while we do have videos on them, we've also taken some of your feedback into consideration, and that is just creating a really clear, simple, step-by-step procedure on how to do this task. So in this video, that's exactly what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take your feedback, I'm gonna take what's in here, I'm gonna throw it all together and show you guys how professionals clean tubs and baths, and I'm also gonna cover off some of those pitfalls that freak people out, and I'm gonna show you how to get around them. All right, let's do it. And just a quick reminder, if you haven't done so already, to subscribe to the Clean My Space channel and make sure that your notification bell is turned on, and give this video a thumbs up if you like the step-by-step layout that we're gonna throw down in this video. And I'm not talking about the New Kids on the Block step-by-step. I'm talking about the Clean My Space step-by-step. Whenever I'm tackling a cleaning task, I always categorize things into 3 different sections: products, tools, and techniques. So the products and tools that you're going to need for this cleaning are tub and tile cleaner. You can either make your own, we'll link a video for you in the description box on a great recipe, or you can pick up any one that you like, just make sure it has some abrasion in it. Baking soda, hydrogen peroxide, double strength vinegar or lemon juice, a squeegee, a non-scratching sponge, a microfiber cloth, and of course, I'm using a Maker's, and a cleaning toothbrush. Soap scum is something that I have talked about a lot over the years, and before I started cleaning, I had no idea what it was. I just heard about it on TV commercials. Well, for this video, I specifically made sure I had soap scum in my shower. Like, I actually had to work at getting soap scum in the shower so I could show you what it looks like. It's essentially a buildup of soap, dead skin cells, body oils, and hardened minerals from your water, creating sort of like a cakey, grayish, brownish, fuzzy feeling, gummy feeling kind of buildup. It's a scum. I mean, there's no other way to put it. And it becomes sticky and difficult to remove over time, which is why you need abrasion and you really have to scrub or pre-treat a surface when you're in a bathroom before you start cleaning it. First up, we're going to remove everything from the shower and the tub. Anything that's sitting in there for a long period of time has the opportunity to grow mold and mildew under it, so everything coming out is the way to go. Next up, we're pre-treating our tiles only. We'll do the tub afterward. That's so that you can stand in the tub if you need to clean it. Now I'm dipping my sponge into my product, working my way from top to bottom, left to right, or if you use a spray, you can just spritz that on as well. Oh, and make sure that you get your chrome. That needs a cleaning too. If you happen to have any discolored grout, there's a really simple way to fix that. You can add baking soda and hydrogen peroxide to a bowl. You want to make a thick paste, so measurements don't really matter here, just have it nice and pasty. Apply it with a cleaning toothbrush to the grout lines while everything is pre-treating. And what this will do is allow that to work while the soap scum is melting off as well, so that when you go to clean it in the next step, everything comes off. Now you're going to scrub the tiles using the scrubby side of the sponge. It should be nice and wet. You're going to apply pressure from top to bottom, left to right, and by doing this, you'll really help remove any of the schmutz that is stuck to your wall, including any of that stuff stuck in the grout lines. It'll come out during this cleaning. Now, if you need some extra abrasion, you can add a little bit of baking soda to your sponge. That will help get rid of any stubborn soap scum, but by the time this work is done, everything will be nice and clean. But hold on, we're not rinsing just yet. If you have glass in your shower, you don't want to use anything abrasive like a sponge or an abrasive product. So instead, you can spray on that full strength vinegar or use some lemon juice to help remove soap scum or buildup. A quick pro tip here, you can roll up your bath mat and use that to rest your knees on when you're scrubbing your tub. Trust me, it's a nice way to save your knees. I'm using the soft side of my sponge to apply the product again. I'm going to give a 5-minute gap between applying the product and actually scrubbing it off, so that's my pre-treating phase. And I recommend using something abrasive for tubs. All right, I'm using the abrasive side of the sponge. It's nice and wet. 5 minutes has passed, and I'm going to start scrubbing the tub. Now, the product will do a lot of work for me, but I still have to scrub quite a bit to get rid of that soap scum. We do get a lot of emails and comments about people who either have physical limitations, chronic pain or are looking for a more ergonomic cleaning solution instead of having to bend down or crouch or reach or something along those lines. Now, there are a lot of cleaning tools available to make these tasks a little bit easier, and for this particular job you can get an extendable sponge, like an extendable pole with a sponge on the tip, so it makes cleaning a little bit easier in that respect. We're really listening. We're trying to make cleaning a bit more ergonomic for you. I will link a couple of products that can be helpful for you down below. All right, back to Scrub Town. If you need any extra abrasion, you can always throw some baking soda down. That's why I'm so obsessed with it. Oh, and make sure you scrub your chrome. Now we're gonna rinse. I have a detachable shower head that is super helpful in cleaning this. However, if you don't have that, you can just fill up a large container and dump water on your tiles from top to bottom. Just be methodical so it doesn't splash water everywhere. You really wanna make sure that you get all the product off so that you get a nice, clean, smooth finish. Now I'll use a squeegee just to remove any residual water or product from the walls. That is the final step. That's how you get that nice, brilliant shine when you're done cleaning. It's also important to do this in the tub because water can hang around there too and make it look less shiny. And to clean your chrome, of course, use a microfiber cloth. If you have any water spots, you can throw some vinegar on there too. For me, the kicker is this: when you let the product do the work for you, you can be lazy when it comes to cleaning instead of having to scrub like a maniac. So remember, when you are cleaning, always pre-soak, use the S pattern, make sure you shine everything up at the end so that it looks extra glossy, extra magazine-y, and then what do you want to do? You want to take your clothes off and get right in there and take a shower or a bath, of course, because it looks so beautiful and clean. I'd love to know in the comments down below, did you find this style of video helpful, the clear step-by-step instructional style video? Let me know if you like that and we can start doing a few more of these, because I thought it was kind of fun. I mean, I am the person doing the video. I don't know what it's like for you guys on the receiving end, so I really rely on your comments. The other thing I'd like to know is ergonomics important to you when it comes to cleaning? Do you guys want me to share a little bit more information about that? Find better cleaning tools to help you not break your back when you're scrubbing a toilet. Let me know in the comments down below. Here are a couple of other videos I think you're going to love, and if you want to learn more about Maker's Clean Microfiber Cloths, you can click this button right over here. There's the button down there that lets me know you care, so click it if you liked this video and click this button right here to subscribe and begin your journey to a cleaner life. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.